Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a Beck Replica 356. It is titled as a 1957. It was assembled in 2009. And today we're going to go over all the details of this ride. We're going to take it for a test drive, get you some beautiful rollers. You can see underside shots in the link below, and if you want to find out full details, the link down there is going to have everything you need. Let's go for it. Let's talk about the overall condition. I would rate this one an 8 out of 10. That's an 80% out of 100. The reason for that, this has been thoroughly enjoyed. Beck is one of the leading industry builders for the 356 Replica. You do have minor imperfections, and that's why we're giving it that rating. A small little scratch right here, and the front end has minor rock chips. Otherwise, very nice. The wheel and tire combination shows well. It's not too big of a tire. You have chrome wheels with a chrome cap that shows well. Your Speedster insignia is very nice, and the trim throughout shows well. When you open up the door, it opens up nicely and does not hang. You have beautiful mats with a beautiful red interior, red shifter boot, and the dash is very nice. We'll go over that later on in the video. Rear quarter is very nice, and when you look down here, you can see that they have all of the proper heat functions going through the rear section, and you have drums in the rear and discs in the front. Top is a light green top, more like a olive colored top, and it shows very well. You'll see that in the gallery. You do have your luggage rack and then a 1600cc engine, which we'll talk about later on. So the passenger side is the same condition as the driver's side. You have your Reuters insignia right here, Speedster, and then once again, all the trim is very nice. Your front glass shows very well. You have windshield wipers and very nice headlight buckets with just minor oxidation. This is a true head turner, runs down the road nicely, and it has modern features like air conditioning. Taking a look at the front end, very nice design. This is definitely the iconic 356 look. You have metal finishes throughout, metal buckets around your headlights with a glass cover. You do have your turn signals right here with metal, with minor pitting, a fiberglass color matched bumperette or bumper with aluminum fins. Let me pop the front fascia and turn the lights on so you can see that real quick. So lights are on, and then to pop the front, you click this, you have a spare tire and your fuel tank. Also, since this is a Beck, you're gonna have your insignia right here for when it was manufactured and also identification numbers. The carpet is very nice, you have a spare tire right here, and inside here is very clean. You also have a 10-disc CD changer, I believe, because this has a modern stereo with door speakers. Pretty neat. I've never seen one with door speakers or air conditioning that blows ice cold. Let's spin it. The rear end is extremely nice. You do have nice rubber around the actual bezels of the taillights. Once again, a fiberglass bumper with aluminum bumperettes. You have your license plate bracket with minor oxidation, your Porsche insignia and 1600, that's the size of the engine. You still have a generator set up in there, so you have to rev the motor for it to start charging. We'll show you that shortly. Nice little luggage rack, which gives it a good flare. Minor imperfections, so that's why we gave it that 8 out of 10. Just small little scratches, etc. And if you look at the gallery, you'll see underside shots and all of the things we're talking about right now. Let me pop it and show you the engine. Inside here, you're going to have a 1600cc with dual carburetors on both sides. You have your generator set up right here, a Bosch ignition coil, and then you have your vintage air or your air condition set up right here. Battery's in good shape, all the wiring looks good. This is just a really cool piece. If you guys are looking for a turnkey Beck 356, this is definitely it. First thing I want to talk about is the craftsmanship of the Beck build. So when you look at the fiberglass finishing, on the inside of the doors and on the front section, it's very nice. You have this beautiful trim piece right here with the rubber inlaid, and your locking mechanisms are not loose and they're very tight. You do have a rubber trim right here to seal the door nicely. The door cards are extremely clean. We do have the actual visors that go in place here, so like the side curtains, and we'll show photos of that in the gallery once we receive them. Steering wheel is extremely clean. You have proper gauges in there. All the gauges operate, and once again, this does have air conditioning, so you have air conditioned vents here on both sides, and it's extremely cold. The top half of the dash has been wrapped in red, And then you have these beautiful billet aluminum pieces on top here for ventilation, probably for the air condition to defrost the glass if you have this beautiful olive top up. I'm gonna get inside so you can see a 210-pound guy sitting in here. I sit inside comfortably. My legs have good stretch. You have your shifter right here, and then you do have an aftermarket radio with your air conditioning controls, very easily accessible. You have your light controls, nice little handle for the passenger, and the passenger seat and driver's seat are very nice. Your emergency brake works as it should, goes up and down, and to start it, it's a quite easy process. You let the fuel pump run, and you can see that the radio works, and you click the button. There you go. If you guys want to find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. What we're going to do right now is turn this thing around and take it for a test drive. I hope you enjoy it. Before we take this beautiful car for a spin, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. Also, if you want to support us, we do sell merchandise like the hat I'm wearing right now, along with other items such as keychains, candles, the whole 9 yards. Let's do it. All right, we're taking the Beck Speedster out for a test drive. Going into second, clutch is nice and easy. Pretty peppy with the dual carbs. Interior is very nice. I'm 6 foot, 210 pounds. I actually had to move the seat forward. So if you're a taller guy, you're gonna have no issue with this one. You do have air condition that operates. You turn it on here, and it's extremely cold. You do have a functioning radio as well.
Plus, you can get one of the latest 5G phones.
So the radio works. Windshield wipers. Windshield wiper, oh, here we go. They work. Very cool. We're gonna jump on a Marina Mile right now, let you guys get some really nice artistic shots of it rolling down the road. Nice and smooth. It's going to third. Fourth gear. No issues at all. Steers nicely. Horn works. It's pretty fun to drive. If you guys have any additional questions about this ride, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We can get you any additional photos you need, or if you just have some simple questions. Showing 17,396 miles on it as of this video. Once we finish this video, we put it away, and it's over. Downshifting into third. Nice and easy. Let's see how it goes. No slippage. Brakes are even as well. Going back into fourth, going uphill, no trouble at all. What I like about this is you can put your wife in here with the top up and have air condition rolling. You can still listen to your music. It's good. There's no funny sounds except from the top. It's just the typical creaks. Suspension feels great. Lights work. Turn signals work as well. Braking is even. Back into first. Let's see how peppy she is. Ready? Here we go, baby. Not bad at all. Once again, if you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Wait for the camera car to pop up. We're going to take a right here. We're going to go over our signature bumps so you can see how the suspension reacts. Overall drivability, I'm impressed. Easy to drive. Transmission feels good. Brakes feel great as well. Turn signal. go over the bumps in third gear. Put the lights on for this test. I'll hold the top as well. No issues. Here's a big dip. Nice and smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed this test drive. I'm out of here.